Welcome to our factory. Today I'm going to show you exactly how sugar is made, all the way from raw sugarcane in the fields to the sweet white sugar you use at home. Stay with me until the very end. The clean stalks are fed directly into the rotating blades. Here, precision cuts reduce the cane to uniform pieces. This prepares the clarity is improving. The clarity is improving. The clear liquor enters the second set of vacuum pans. Seed crystals are introduced to begin the final boiling process. Operators monitor the real-time growth of the pure white crystals. Crystals are looking very uniform.
And that's it. From raw sugarcane in the field, all the way to the finished sugar you see right here in my hand.
Don't forget to pick up your Sweet Valley sugar, now on sale for a limited time.
Found everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Honestly, this is some of the best sugar I've used. Dissolves fast, tastes clean, and I love that I got to see exactly how it's made.
That's how our sugar goes from raw sugarcane all the way to your kitchen table. Thanks for watching all the way to the end.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Inside Factory 11M for more videos just like this one, Sluty, and don't forget to like, comment, and share.